Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your mouse cursor or pointer is freezing, lagging, or just acting unresponsive on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and search for Device Manager. Best result should go back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the mice and other pointing devices, and then right click on your mouse, so it might say something different depending on if it's a manufacturer mouse or a generic mouse. And you should go ahead and right click on them and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and hopefully it would have found some updated drivers. If not, you can search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and this would open up Windows Update, and you can go ahead and check for updates. You can also try right clicking on the driver itself again and select Update Driver. This time you can select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Go ahead and left click on that. Now if you have a specific one for your manufacturer, you can go with that. If you only have a generic one, you can select that one as well. But again, if you have a manufacturer one, I'd recommend that one to be the priority one to select. And then select Next. And then once it's done, close out of here. Now you will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So go ahead and select Yes and restart your device. And hopefully that would have resolved your problem. Something else you can try as well, try swapping your mouse in for another USB port. So go just unplug it from one USB port and then try it in another port. Also consider trying a different mouse altogether and see if that resolves the problem. If you're still having an issue, something else you can try here as well would be to right click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. On the left side, you want to look for something that says pointer or point. So I don't have one in my case, but I'm going to walk you through what to do if you find one. Again, it would say point or pointer. You would right click on it and select properties. Again, assuming you were able to find a point or pointer. And then you go ahead and select the compatibility tab. You can check mark where it says run this program in compatibility mode 4. Click the drop down. You can select Windows 7 or Windows 8 and then select apply and OK. And then hopefully it would have been able to resolve the problem as well. So again, you certainly could have an issue with your mouse pointer, like a physical hardware problem, in which case no software solution is going to be able to fix that. But I just want to give you guys a couple different software potential solutions for you. And one other thing I do want to suggest is make sure your mouse is not obstructed with anything on the bottom. So if there's any plastic or any sort of wrapping around the mouse, make sure it's all clean. If you have to clean the scroller out, you can if there's any dust or particles that are preventing it from scrolling nicely. Make sure it's on a good surface as well, that it's going to be able to smooth properly. So if your surface isn't good or your mouse isn't clean, make sure there is no plastic wrap or anything that may have come with your new mouse. So definitely keep that in mind, but hopefully that was able to resolve your problem, guys. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.